Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel Light to Crack Maths. In today's video, we are going to discuss the answer for exercise 1.1 of grade 9, that is chapter 1 number system. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then do subscribe our channel without fail. So moving on to the first question. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0? So what is a rational number? So we all know that a number is said to be rational if it can be written in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So in case of 0, you can see that 0 can be written in the form 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, because any number 0 divided by any number is 0 again. So similarly, you can write it even in terms of negative integers, such as 0 by minus 1, 0 by minus 2 and 0 by minus 3. So this is satisfying the condition that 0 can be written in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So Q is not equal to 0 means it can either be positive or negative integer. So now let's see question number 2. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So we have been given two whole numbers 3 and 4 and we have to find 6 rational numbers between them. So there are infinite rational numbers between any two given numbers. So between 3 and 4 also there are infinite rational numbers available. So what we'll do is, as we have to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4, we'll multiply both the numbers 3 and 4 by 7. That is, since they have asked us 6 rational numbers, 6 plus 1, 7. Or you can take any number which is greater than 6. Okay. So 3 into 7 by 7 will give you 21 by 7. And 4 into 7 by 7 will give you 28 by 7. So these are equivalent fraction concept, because you are multiplying both the numerator and denominator by the same number. So 21 by 7 and 28 by 7 are nothing but 3 and 4 respectively. Okay, so the numbers in between 21 by 7 and 28 by 7 will be the rational numbers which will fall between 3 and 4. Hence, 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, 27 by 7 are the rational numbers between 3 and 4. Moving on to the third question, we've got find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So it is similar to the previous question. So there are infinite rational numbers lying between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So to find out the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, we'll multiply both the numbers by 6. So why 6 again? Because they have asked us 5 rational numbers. So 5 plus 1, 6. Or any number which is greater than 5. So 3 by 5 into 6 by 6 will give us 18 by 30, and 4 by 5 into 6 by 6 will give us 24 by 30. The numbers in between 18 by 30 and 24 by 30 will be rational and will fall between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Hence 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30 are the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So now we'll move on to the fourth question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answer. So we will have to tell whether the given statement is true or false and also give proper reason to support our answer. So the first subdivision under this question is every natural number is a whole number. Okay, so the answer is true. The reason why it is true is, so what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers that start from 1 till infinity, right? That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are numbers starting from 0 to infinity. That is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So we can say that whole numbers have all the elements of natural numbers, but extra you have 0 also. So whole numbers mean 0 plus natural numbers. So every natural number is a whole number. But always you should remember, every whole number is not a natural number. Okay. So now we'll move on to the second subdivision. Every integer is a whole number. So first the solution is false. And the reason why the given statement is false is, what are integers? Integers are a set of numbers that contain positive and negative numbers including 0. Right? So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and even the negative numbers like -4, -3, -2 so on. Right? But what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are numbers starting from 0 to infinity. That is 0, 1, 2, 3 so on. Hence, we can say that integers include whole numbers as well as negative numbers. Every whole number is an integer. However, every integer is not a whole number. So now, let's move on to the third subdivision. Every rational number is a whole number. So, the solution is false, because what is a rational number? All numbers in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. That is 0, or it can be 19 by 30, or it can be 2, or it can be 9 by -3, or -12 by 7, so on. Right? And what are whole numbers? Again, whole numbers are numbers starting from 0 to infinity. So we can say that integers include whole numbers as well as negative numbers, and all whole numbers are rational. However, all rational numbers are not whole numbers. With this, we come to the end of this video. If this video was informative, then do like our video and share our video with your friends, and subscribe our channel without fail and click on the bell button to receive more notifications of the future videos.